Hello, my friends, dear students, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. As in our class 6, we have to read about integers. Then we find out we have three types of integers that are positive integers and negative integers we have to read this. And one that is zero, I mean the two integers. Zero is also an integer, that is no negative and no positive. But zero is an integer, but it is neither counted in positive integer nor in the negative integer. So we have to understand and try to solve our integer in standard 6. So we have to solve our addition and subtraction. And we have to try to represent our integers on the number line, and we have also solved many obstacles on our integers. What is the positive and what is the negative? As we have to read in our numbers, if we move to east, that is positive. If move to west, that is negative. If move to north, that is positive. If we move to south, that is negative. We have to read this. Otherwise, when we give, that is negative, and when we take, that is positive. Our increase is positive, yet decrease is also our negative. Our profit is also positive, and when we get loss, that our loss is also negative. We have to memorize these and learn these aspects in our learning. Up to the sea level, that is positive, and below to the sea level, that is negative. We have to learn in our standard 6 so many problems that are also memorize our concept that we have to learn in our standard 7. And so we can memorize our number line. If this is our number line is drawn, and in this base here is 0, and left that is called the negative integers, and right that is read as the positive integers. That we have to learn in our previous class. As here -1, -2, and we have to learn these aspects in our previous class. We have to learn these, memorize these, and try to understand in our daily routines. And we have to write these alphabets or numbers, and then we have to denote them. You have many problems in your textbook that are also scenario that you have to try them for these orders or these works in the same problem. If we have problems, then we have to solve or by identifying these numerals from 0. From 0, right is the positive, and so left is the negative. We have to learn it. And this figure Up, if we go to up, that is positive. If go to east, then we are positive. If we go to west, it is also negative. And when we go to west, negative. And when we go to south, this is also negative. So we have to learn this, increase and decrease up to the sea level, below to the sea level. We have to learn these problems very well. When we have to say that we have a problem that delayed normally in our numbers, as in your test book, a number line representing integers is given below and write down -3 and -2 are marked by E and F respectively. Which integers are marked by DDF means so many alphabetical numbers. So many alphabetical numbers. That is your try these for page number. Yeah, it's your page number 2. This is your number line. Here it is drawn as here. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, only that is for M, N and O. Now we have to identify. E is -3, -2, then we have to write -1, 0, +1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here -4, -5, -6, -7. We have to write in the complete way. Then we have to write their denominator as A equal to -7, comma B equal to -6. So that we have to write all over the digits that are belonging to your problem, and C that is equal to -5 and E equal to -3, F equal to -2 and G that is -1, H that equal to 0, I that is equal to +1, J equal to 2, K equal to 3, L equal to 4, M equal to 5, N that is equal to 6, and O that is equal to 7. So we have to present it all over the alphabetical words in their respective integers. In their respective integers, and so that you have also learned it in your previous class. Then how we represent these? Okay, so I wish that you have to return your words in their best order. In their best orders, okay? And so you have to learn these aspects. If we move to your problems, You have to learn your question exercise 1.1, and so that is question number 1. Now we are moving ahead to our question exercise, and so that your exercise is 1.1. Exercise 1.1, and here is given a number line, and this number line is known as the temperature line. This number line is known as the temperature line, as our this line show the temperature of many cities: 0, 5, 10. 5, 10, 15, 20, and next is more one figure 25, this. And there are some minimized short numbers also, that we have to identify them in this way. So we have to mark them as they are smaller values. Our main value is divided into 5. So now we have to identify these marks. Right? And here it is written the temperature as our this line is written as the Lahul Spiti. Here written Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti is a hill station. Here it is written as the Srinagar. This is the temperature line of so many cities, and that's our fifth is written the Simla, and next is written as this is Utti, and that one last is Bangalore. This one is written as the Bangalore. Bangalore. This is our temperature line, that is also belongs to the temperature of different cities of India in a particular day. There are questions, so they are belonging to our these number lines. It is written, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So there are 5 cities, and you have to write the temperature of them, as these are negative values. Right? 0, so here start the negative value. So we have to write as according to our first problem, temperature of cities. We have to write the temperature of cities as Lahul Spiti. We have to read the temperature that -8 degree Celsius. Second is the Srinagar. Use comma and write Srinagar. that is equal to 2 degrees Celsius, and that our third is Shimla, that is 5 degrees Celsius positive. Next city is Ooty, and temperature is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degrees Celsius. And next is the Bengaluru, that is 22 degrees Celsius. We can also write in the table in the same way. Here we have to write only in the linear form. And now, if we have to check this B section, it is said, what is the temperature between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So number 1, we have to write the hottest place. Hottest place is Bengaluru. Hottest place is to Bengaluru. That temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. 22 degrees Celsius, and the coldest place is Lahul Spiti. That is -8 degrees Celsius. -8 degrees Celsius. So find out the temperature difference. अब यहाँ हम टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर माइनस लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर, 22 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड माइनस lowest temperature. So we have to write in the next line 22 degrees centigrade plus 8 degrees centigrade, and so we find out that the highest temperature difference is 30 degrees centigrade. 30 degrees centigrade. We have to find out in this way. And so here we are going to understand this. Means we have to write down the hottest place and the coldest place, and then the temperature difference. Temperature difference. Temperature difference, highest temperature minus lowest temperature. So we have to find out the difference. And in the C section, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Between the Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So we have to follow the same option. We have to follow the same option. For this, temperature between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. यहाँ फिर लिख सकते हैं टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस between, we have to written Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Lahul Spiti temperature is -8 degrees centigrade and Srinagar is -2 degrees centigrade. -2 degrees centigrade. So we have to, this is our highest temperature and it is our lowest temperature. So -2 degree centigrade -8 degree centigrade. And then we have to solve it. -2 degree centigrade, and this also create the mathematical calculation, and we find out the temperature difference is 6 degree centigrade. By opening the bracket, we find out minus and minus plus. So -2 and +8, that is subtracted and get the marks of greatest number 8. So that is the difference is 6 degree centigrade according to our problem. And there is also one more problem. So we have to erase our B and C, and then we have to try to understand our last and D problem in this question. Can you say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? Temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together. D point we have to write if temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together, it means added. Taken together, as it is said, added. Taken together. So temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree and temperature of Simla is 5 degree. So we have to add this -2 degree centigrade plus temperature of Simla 5 degree centigrade. We find out the answer 3 degree centigrade. So the joint temperature of Srinagar and Simla is 3 degree centigrade. And next is less than temperature of Simla, and so temperature of Simla, that is 5 degree centigrade. Temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together, that is less than temperature of Simla. Is it right or not? It is right or not? So this is right. Sum of the temperature two cities, Srinagar and Simla, taken together, then it is also smaller than temperature of Simla. And here the next problem. It is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar. So now we have to write, there are two parts of question. Temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree centigrade. Right. So the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree centigrade. It is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. Means the sum of the temperature is less than the temperature of Srinagar. इसका भी आंसर होगा no. The added temperature is 3 degree centigrade and this is our -2 degree centigrade. So 3 degree centigrade is not smaller than -2 degree centigrade. Not smaller. It is the sign of not smaller. और यहां भी इसी तरह लिख सकते हैं कि 3 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर इज नॉट लेस देन 5 degree centigrade. Yes. So both are we can write in the same way. If we have to write without crossing, then it is smaller than 3 degree centigrade, smaller than 5 degree centigrade. जो हमारा 3 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड है is not greater than 3 degree centigrade, and this is not also greater than 3 degree centigrade is not greater than 3 degree centigrade is greater than minus 2 degree centigrade. In both conditions, we have to say in the wording. If you have not understand in the science or in writing in this way, so we have to write that no, these are not the same. Means the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together, then they are not same as the not less than the temperature at Simla. Okay, so we have to understand and try for this. So you have to identify and learn for your this chapter. Now we have to learn this. Next portion in our next class. Goodbye. Thank you.